Good morning everybody, my name is Murali Mohan, studying in the BA first year LRT Government College. So I am here to explain my project work. The influence of English language in rural areas. I have my friends named Akshaya, Bhargavi, Pratyusha, Bhavani, and I am going to start our introduction. While English language education has become a global phenomenon, teachers and learners from rural areas experience numerous constraints that significantly impact on the quality of teaching and learning. This study project aims to explore the influence of the English language in rural areas, particularly examining its impact on education, employment opportunities, cultural identity, and community cohesion. My friend will continue the next topic.
Statement of the problem or hypothesis in rural areas where local languages and dialects historically dominate communication. The rise of English poses both challenges and opportunities for social, economic, and educational development. Hypothesis: the influence of the English language in rural areas leads to a gradual erosion of local languages and cultural identity as residents increasingly adopt English for cultural and economic.
Explain aims and objectives. The primary aim of this study project is to explore and analyze the impact of the influence of the English language in rural areas. The study intensity shed light on how adoption, integrations of into various aspects of life, such as education, economics, and social interactions, affect in rural communities. Additionally, it examined to the benefits and challenges posed by increasing the prominence of the English language in these locals. To analyze the impact of the English language educational attainment in rural areas. To examine the relationship between English employment opportunities. To explore the influence of English cultural practicals, these local delegates. To understand the participation of local communities towards English language.
According to Coordinate 2019, the term rurality is believed to be related to geographical features, population density, and access to social service. As we start and Hazard 2019 started that students' family background, socio-economic status, and also the status of English language. They all leads to the result of pure English among rural students. The limitations in facilities, language, resource, and social support for language learning are major threats to the teaching and learning equality in rural high schools.
Research methodology on the influence of the English language in rural areas propose a comprehensive framework to assess how English affects various aspects of life in these communities. The study employs a mixed methods approach, integrating both quality and quantitative data to evaluate the role of English in educational setting with analysis of data. Data analysis will involve statistical technique to interpret survey results and thematic analysis for quantitative data by triangulating findings from different sources. The study aims to present a holistic view of the English language's influence in rural areas, informing policy recommendations for educational programs and community initiatives that recognize the significance of linguistic diversity and inclusivity.
Next findings: the research conducted on the influence of the English language in rural areas reveals several significant findings that highlight its impact on education, employment opportunities. 70% of respondents reported improved English proficiency in the past 5 years. Factors influencing English language adoption: education 80%, media 60%, and employment opportunities 50%. English language proficiency positive corrected with better education 90%, increased employment opportunities 80%, higher economical status 70%. Challenges are limited access to quality education, lack of English language resource, cultural and linguistic
and suggestions. The influence of the English languages in rural areas manifests in very ways, from education and communication development and cultural identities. While English open doors to globalization and opportunity, it also poses threat to local language cultures. It is important to ensure sufficient number of English language teachers teaching in rural setting, fill the shortage of English language teachers in rural settings.